Right, so we are now in the module 3 of our free VA training. And module 3 is all about your brand, your biz. So the objective of this module is to help you create a standout personal brand that attracts clients and builds credibility. So um overview lang of our lessons. So we will you will learn why personal branding can make or break your VA career. Actually, personal branding is more of a specialized um training and skill. So I'll just give you an overview. Pero we could totally apply it now na. Pero if you like a separate training for that, we will have that soon. And then number two is how we will optimize your profiles to look professional and the essentials of a strong VA portfolio. So of course, reality check, hindi lang skills ang labanan sa pagiging VA. So kahit gaano ka pa kagaling, kapag hindi maayos yung branding mo, I mean halo-halo and all, hindi ka talaga mapapansin ng client. So let's fix that now.